Hello, and I'm at Sandy on the East Coast Mainline. Today we'll be seeing services by Grand Central, London North Eastern Railway, Thameslink, and hopefully some freight as well. That was 801-215 from Edinburgh Waverley to London King's Cross. It's very foggy today here at Sandy. So, let's spot some trains. The next train to pass by is going to be at LNER Azuma from Edinburgh Waverley to London King's Cross. (801-210). Now arriving is the 14:15 Thameslink service from Peterborough to London King's Cross, being worked by a Class 700. 700-145. Was 180-105 from London King's Cross to Sunderland. Now departing is the 14:16 Thameslink service from Peterborough to London King's Cross. The next train to pass by is going to be a Grand Central Class 180 Adelante from Bradford Interchange to London King's Cross. Don't know what the numbers were. The next train to pass by is going to be at LNER Azuma. (800-106). We're about to have LNER Azuma pass by from London King's Cross to Leeds. (801-112) and (801-111). The next train to pass by is going to be at LNER 225 set from Leeds to London King's Cross. (82-211) and (91-105). The next train to pass by is going to be at LNER Azuma from London King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley. (801-226). Now arriving is the 14:58 Thameslink service from London King's Cross to Peterborough. Being worked by a Class 700. 700-102. Now departing is the 14:59 Thameslink service from London King's Cross to Peterborough. We're about to have LNER Zuma pass by from London King's Cross to Lincoln Central. (800-201). Here is LNER Zuma. That's 801-223 from Edinburgh Waverley to London King's Cross. We're about to have a Grand Central Class 180 Adelante pass by. (180-107), and that's from Sunderland to London King's Cross. Now arriving is the 1515 Thameslink service from Peterborough to London King's Cross, being worked by a Class 700. (700-109). Now departing is the 1516 Thameslink service from Peterborough to London King's Cross. And straight after, here is LNER Zuma from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. (801-209). And that will be the final train of the video. So if you did enjoy, please make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you wish and I'll try to respond to it, and join my Discord server if you want to talk to me and my fans. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.